Hello everyone. I hope everybody is enjoying their weekend. Uh, Recently, I have been interacting with a lot of AI engineers and architects. Now, at the outside, let me tell you that architecting is kind of a vague word when it comes to the AI world, because that's kind of something that is slowly diminishing, and that's part of the transformation that happens in the IT world. Initially, it was virtualization, which showed us that you can pivot things within infrastructure and then have it in a different way, which can be cost effective. So now the reason I'm touching upon this is because I find that there's a lot of movement between those who were independent developers, who wanted to just build something and ship something, and then you have these enterprise level AI architects. And I find this fascinating because the kind of skill set is very varied. There's a large gap between these two set of resources. On the AI architect side, I believe they have strong cloud experience, and post the cloud experience they have moved on to AI. So they have a very high level of modular programming experience. They know about, they are because see, the cloud is nothing but a deterministic model. So their thought process stays there, and then they move into AI, which is a predictive model. So there you have these people combining these two. Okay, very strong skill set. On the AIs, these guys who know everything, they don't merge into your DevOps align. They don't align to DevOps. They may not align to your SDLC. And then you have people who have dynamically built things around. So that's where these new age engineers are. So there's a gap here. Okay. Now, when it comes to the enterprise adoption, this gap has to narrow down, because these guys, the architects, they will be there as seniors because they know what happens in the cloud. They have that experience, and then they know how AI will work and what are the things you can give to the AI and what can be seen as an output to the AI and how you manage it, right? And that's where I believe is going to be a big, real tussle between these two skill set. You cannot have these guys who built something on AI alone to go into enterprise and say, yeah, we'll do everything. I mean, that's a no-no, a big no-no from an enterprise point of view. So it's interesting times. So I believe this movement is happening. So I'm kind of interacting with both these kind of skill sets, and it's very interesting to see their thought process. On one hand, you have these oops and the modular programming guys who did not take up the full stack development area, but they rather moved into AI architecting. And then you have these guys. So it's a very smart way of structuring the team, and this is something that I would love to keep addressing going forward. Yeah, thank you.